Hey, I'm trying to dodge the sun, but it's just not seeming possible. Like, yeah, there's like no way of like I could sit like this. Okay, there we go. There we go. We've got no kind of glare or reflection. Hey, my name's Shalina. As you can tell from my name badge, it might be back to front on camera. But yeah, my name is Shalina and I am a property investor. I'm actually away at a 2-day boot camp for property investors to learn more about the strategy that I am following and also some of the tools that you can leverage to help you to accelerate your business. I wanted to just come on really quickly and just speak to you about the importance of investing time and money in getting the training, getting up to speed with what it is that you say you want to do. It's necessary, it's essential that you are skilled and you have studied into what it is that you are pursuing. And you know, some of the setbacks, some of the challenges that we face is that we may not necessarily have the money up front to invest into our education. It could be that we don't have the time, we don't have the support from our family and friends. It could be that it is the distance. So the particular course that you want to go to is quite a way away and you are unable, reluctant, unwilling to travel a far distance. But I would just encourage you to reassess, basically, to actually take a step back and look at the bigger picture. So training and education is essential to stop you from making mistakes. It's essential in actually launching you further ahead, because if you get that understanding and you get that knowledge, you're going to be able to take better a better grip on the opportunities that present themselves to you. Because just from my experience, a lot of the time the opportunities that I run from is probably because I don't quite understand the process, what's being presented, or how I can leverage it to make a return on my investment. So it's really important to get the knowledge that you need. I know that there's a lot of information that's readily available online and you can definitely tap into that, but much the same as with your regular diet, you supplement that, for example, with vitamins. You need to I would say your main course should be the training and education that you invest in, and then you supplement that with going online and self-teaching yourself to just kind of give you that extra boost, that extra level of detail, I guess, that you don't always get from some courses. On a 2-day, how much detail can they go into? So that was a quick 3-minute video of me just encouraging you to get the education that you need. Apologies if I have been squinting all through this, but ignore the video, just pay attention to what it is that I'm sharing, and I hope that this information was helpful to you. I hope that it gives you a different way of looking at investing in training, education. Yeah, that's basically what I wanted to share. I hope that you take some of this on board. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you take time out to invest in getting the skills that you need. Take care. Bye-bye.